Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a brand new tutorial in using the command prompt. In today's video, we'll learn about task management in the command prompt. Now, there are many tasks and services that are running on your machine right now. So, how do we get a list of all these tasks? Well, it's very simple. Type task list, hit enter, and you get a list of all these tasks. For example, I have Chrome, and you can see that I have OBS. So this is the recording software I'm using to record these videos. We have the task list, which is in its own a program. And now it's closed, of course. Let me tell you this. It's closed, but when it was listing, it was open. So it listed itself as a running task. We have the command prompt, and let's open calculator. To open calculator, we just type CALC, and here it is. Keep it open, and then do task list again. Let's search for calculator. Here it is. Now, this here is the process ID. PID is process ID. Now, to terminate calculator from the command prompt, we say taskkill, then slash PID, then calculator is 6464. Hit enter. Success. Send termination signal to the process with PID, etc. Now it's closed. I tried to open it, but it's closed. And the reason it was here on the taskbar for a little bit longer, because my PC is now running a little bit slow because of the many programs I am running it. But that's how you can terminate any app or service that are running. You just need to know the PID, and that's it. So that's it for me, guys, in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video.